everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a Dollar Tree Valentine's gift idea video. Some of these things are gift baskets, others are homemade gifts, and I feel like if you start early enough, you can put together a really nice gift that's extremely affordable. Another thing that's super duper helpful is ShopTagger. I've mentioned ShopTagger on all of my gift basket videos because I love them so much. If you don't know what ShopTagger is, it's a web app that acts as your personal assistant because it gets you all of the best prices on the stuff you already want. So let me show you how to use ShopTagger and then we'll get right into the video.
So it's really easy. You're just going to want to go on Google Chrome and go on the ShopTagger website and click Get button. And once you do that, it's going to let you install this little widget right here. And that lets you basically use ShopTagger even when you're not on the website. On the website itself, they're supported by over 2,500 stores, but if you don't want to shop directly from the website, that is completely okay. You can just go onto your favorite website, and for instance, I really want the steam mop, and I want to wait until it's even lower in price. I'm going to click on my widget and this is going to pop up. I always click notify me when any price change has happened and they email me immediately, and then I add it to my list. These are lists that I've made, but I don't have a home one, so I'm just going to type in home to create a new list, and it's really easy to create one. The best thing about the list is that they're all shareable, or you can keep them private, so if somebody wants to buy you a gift, you can always refer them to your ShopTagger list.
So make sure you look in my description to check out ShopTagger, and I really hope that you enjoy this video and stick around by subscribing to this channel. Once you hit that subscribe button, we instantly become best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
And please hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. Let's go ahead and get started.
So this one is more of a cute idea rather than a DIY, but you can customize this. It's a photo album from Dollar Tree. You can do some contact paper if you don't like what it looks like, or even cover it with washi tape or paint it with chalk paint. What I did was I took out the little picture that comes inside and I flipped it over and used the blank space to personalize it. Now I used a regular Sharpie. This is actually one of the Cricut markers, and I wrote, "Let's make memories." Now you can write whatever you want, or you can even print out a message if you don't like your handwriting, or add a little picture of you and your significant other. Selected some of our favorite pictures and I put some in, and on each page I decided to either write a list of date nights or add little gift cards. Obviously the gift cards aren't from Dollar Tree, so you don't have to do this, but I thought this would be a great gift. It's pretty unisex and you win because that person's taking you out on a date. So once you add all your little gift cards or your little list of date nights that you'd like to go on, you have a cute gift for your significant other, which is really for you. For my next piece, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree wood heart and my favorite bouquet at the moment, and I'm going to use some side cutters to trim 3 of those little pieces down. You don't need to use the whole bouquet for this, and then I'm going to grab one and cut that in half so that I can outline my entire heart, and I'm doing this with hot glue and pressing my little pieces in. So there's so many things you can do with this. You can add a nice picture of you and your significant other, but I decided to add chocolate. Now you're gonna wanna do this with glue dots, but I'm using a low temp glue gun. Glue dots are a lot better because you're gonna be able to remove everything completely. So I'm just using this because I ran out of my glue dots. Dollar Tree does sell them. So I'm doing the outline first and then I'm working my way inside. So I still thought it looked a little bit on the plain side, so I decided to add some nerds, which I also purchased at Dollar Tree. And if you wanted to glue your heart to a little bowl so that you can put candy on the bottom, you totally can, and I think this is perfect for just about anybody who loves candy. For my next one, I started off with these slippers from Dollar Tree, but if you wanted to get better quality ones, you totally can. So I was going to embroider, but then I decided to use these iron-on patches from Dollar Tree, and I chose these two. Now I went ahead and positioned it where I wanted to, and I'm going to use a flat iron to adhere this. So at first I put a little tiny hand towel just so that nothing burns, because I really didn't know how this was going to react to heat. But later on you'll see that I gave up on the towel and it was perfect just using without. When I removed it, I realized it was a lot better to just use my flat iron directly on it. And if you're having any trouble adhering this to your slippers, because this is a fluffy surface, you can definitely use something like fabric fuse. I use fabric fuse on towels all the time, and when I wash it, it does not come off. So I'll link that below. I went ahead and added the other one, and now I'm going to move on to actually assembling. So this I got from Dollar Tree. It's a cute little basket and it's pretty narrow. I lined it with a little spa towel. You can use the Dollar Tree ones, you can get a nice one. I added my slippers, and then I added the Bolero brand from Dollar Tree, kind of like a little spa kit, and I also found this at Dollar Tree, and little bath fizzers. You can leave it as is, but I thought it would be a cute idea to add one of these little plants from Dollar Tree. And once I added it, I did have to change the placement completely, and I was really happy with the end result of this entire basket. For my next one, I picked up these Skuncy brand lip glosses from Dollar Tree, and look how perfect these are with the little heart and the packaging. I just thought that in itself would make an amazing gift. And then I got these containers from Dollar Tree. They come 4 to a pack, so if you wanted to make various gifts, you totally can. Dollar Tree had this beautiful decorative shred, which I thought matched perfectly, so I decided to add that to my container. I love that the shred has pieces of tinsel in it. It looks so much prettier. I cut down a small foam board from Dollar Tree and wedged it into my little container, and this is going to help everything stay in place. So now I'm going to start positioning it, and if you don't want to damage your packaging, you don't have to do what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure to hold this in place using some foam mounting tape. You can also use double-sided tape or just regular tape and roll it up. But I'm going to add a little bit of the mounting tape to my foam board and then press my biggest piece right there. Now I'm going to add some more pieces to hold my other lip glosses, but like I said, if you don't want to damage your packaging, you can skip this step or just use a tape that is a little bit less tacky than the foam mounting tape. I found this lollipop bouquet at Dollar Tree, and the stems are a little bit on the long side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the pack since they are individually wrapped, and then I'm going to cut them down. These are actually plastic. If they were little cardboard pieces, I wouldn't be doing this, but since they're plastic, I'm just going to be doing this using my side cutters so that I can place them nicely into my little gift. So I think this looks so cute, but I am going to go ahead and wrap this up. So I'm going to be using the shrink wrap from Dollar Tree. They sell these individual bags that come with a bow. So you're just going to go ahead and put your gift in the bag. And I know it looks really big right now, but we are going to shrink it down. So it brings this bow. All you have to do is pull and tie it around, but I honestly really didn't like it. So I decided to use this bow from Dollar Tree. I used a regular string that I had around to tie a little knot, and then I used my hair dryer to shrink all of that shrink wrap, and I made sure to hold up certain pieces so that didn't shrivel in the wrong places, and I just kept working my way around until it started to look nice and tight. When I was happy with the way it looked, I cut off the extra string and the excess saran wrap and added my little bow. And this is what it looked like. I did shrink it a little bit more, but when I was done, I had a super cute and affordable gift. I really hope that you enjoy these gift ideas, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and check out ShopTagger. They save you so much money. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.